Hi humans, I go by the name of Jerry. For those who didn't know, what's the vibes? You already know. Let's get right into it. On this video, I just wanted to show y'all how the Yo magazine looks. As you can see, Yo magazine is back. That's the title in the corner. And it's back indeed. It's been years since we haven't got any publishing of the Yo magazine, and I just wanted to highlight how they look and how they came back for this year, and also the content that they have in it. I'm about to give you a rundown of them both. So, guys, let's go. Yes, as you can see, this is Mr. Tennyson John on the front page of the Yo magazine. Puzzle, lyrics, recipe, color me red, top 10 loud hits, a good read. Yes, guys, all that and more inside. Yes, guys, we're taking a dive on the inside, just highlighting how it looks. And there's not so much of a pack issue this week, but I'm hoping next week we'll have something different. Yeah, it's good to see that they're back. They haven't changed. It's just that it looks maybe a little bit like smaller, very colorful as usual. And yeah, I can't wait to see the second issue to see if it's packed and full. But guys, I just wanted y'all to have a look because I shared a video with y'all on. I have over. I got a lot of them. I don't even remember. There's some I even threw, so that probably wasn't on, like I said in the video. If you want to see that video, you can check my page or my profile. But yes, guys, we're down to the last page, and now we're gonna move to the part where I show you all a bit of what's in the voice newspaper. And guys, I hope you enjoyed the look and the content, even though you couldn't read what's in it, but at least you'll get to see why I talk about it. It's almost like a full grown magazine. I got to say it was nice of them coming back. And I'm looking forward to seeing many more from the U. This part is where I show those of you out there who wants to see how the newspaper looks on the inside. So I'm giving you a run through to see the contents that is in it. I don't get paid, sponsor, nor work for the newspaper publishing company. And fun fact, the Voice newspaper has been around since 1885. To buy a copy of the Voice newspaper will cost you $2 easy. And online, if you want to check them out online, their website is www.thevoiceslu.com. For those of you who want to check them out. So yes, guys, I hope you all do enjoy the quick run through, and I just wanted to highlight that because it's been a while since the U hasn't been in the Voice newspaper, and they're finally back. So I wanted to highlight how it looked. Hope you all enjoy, guys. Due to copyright stuff, I'm not gonna be playing the video with any sound. Don't know if that will still save me from not getting a copyright strike, but the video that I will be playing will be the song of the day, my song of the day. Part of the video is called My Song of the Day. And my song of the day goes to Makky, I Don't Cry Anymore. Until then, stay blessed, peace, and later.